Yo, what's going on everybody? Today I'll be doing an unboxing and review on the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. I finally got a new smartwatch and I'm pretty excited to share my thoughts on this watch with you guys. As you guys can see, we do have the box right here and we do have the silver version. Now if you open up the box, as you guys can see, we'll have the watch and of course a few other accessories. But before we get into that, let's first see what the watch looks like. So you basically get a basic silicone strap with it, and it's just a really basic strap that you get with the watch. But do not worry, I'll show you guys a very easy way to install a very fancy strap that looks a lot better later in the video. And further off, if you open up the box, you will also be having to get a charger that comes with the watch itself. This is a magnetic charger. I think they basically designed this so you can basically use your watch even in wet conditions. But over here you guys will see we also do have the warranty card and some instructions, of course. So let's quickly take out the instructions for anybody that wants to use this. You guys are welcome to use the instructions as well. Now this is the watch itself. It looks pretty good, but I can already tell this display is gonna attract some fingerprints. Over here you guys can get a clear side view of the watch, of course, as well. And this is the display, and already you guys can see there's a lot of fingerprints. Now the features is it measures stress and heart rates. Of course it's not on my wrist right now, so it's not gonna be accurate at all, but it is really accurate. I'll get into that later. Here's your step count and the calories you have burned. Over here is some extra sports activities you guys can choose from. There's over 100 to choose from. So yeah, you will definitely find one that you are probably going to use. You can also add some more if you cannot find the one activity you're currently wanting to do. There's even golf, there's a lot of stuff, and particularly running, of course. A lot of people like that. And I've just been using this watch for a month now, and I have to say it has a bunch of features, so it definitely has enough activity features for me. So we also have some notifications at the left side, and you can just scroll up like this and you can get a ton of other features. Now my personal favorite, of course, is the calculator, which is kind of crazy that you think you get this on a like fit watch, but I mean it's pretty cool because I have been using this calculator quite a lot, especially when I'm in like going to shop or anything like that. It's just very handy to have. Of course you have the display, you can put it on adaptive brightness, always on display, and you also can adjust the brightness manually if you really want to. Just be aware the brighter it is, the faster the battery will go. So for me, I have gotten about like 5 days out of this battery, but you can really get up to like 7 or even 10 days if you don't use it that much. And if you also turn off the display basically that activates every single time you look at your watch or anything like that, so you can get a ton of battery life out here. Samsung claims you can get up to 13 days with like basic mode on or something. And you can also disconnect this band if you want to install a custom fancy one that we're gonna do right now. You will see these two buttons. You're simply going to click them, and it really is easy to remove these bands. It's really user friendly. I really like that Samsung made it so easy to install third-party bands as well. So over here guys, we're going to install the band that I got off Amazon. You guys will see this band in a second, but it's a really fancy one. You're simply going to line up the pins. Over here we have the magnet part. This is the fancy band I've been talking about. It's gonna go really well with the silver watch. So definitely check it out on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys are interested, as well as the smartwatch link as well. You guys can also get that in the description. But over here our mesh band is now installed. As you guys can see, this is how it is going to go around your wrist, and it also has a magnet, so it's really faster to install than the one that comes with the watch. And you can get a really fancy looking smartwatch, and people will not even realize this is a Galaxy Fit 3 that looks so good. So definitely check out this band if you guys are interested. And also now you guys can see it's clearly measuring my heart rate and my stress, and it is accurate right now because it's on my wrist, so it's not confused anymore. And we're quickly going to scroll to this one over here. As you guys can see, the sleep tracking. Now, this is actually very accurate. I've used Garmin watches, and this one is actually really on par with them. And you guys can see this is my sleep score. Not the best, but that's okay. We don't talk about that. You also have this date or events setting up you can do. You have this blood oxygen level you can measure. I think this is the amount of oxygen you have in your blood. So yeah, you just press measure or something like that, and then you guys will see it's simply going to say you need to hold your hand still and it will start to measure. It doesn't take that long at all. Mine is 99%, so that's pretty good. There you go. Over here you guys will see is the charger with the watch. It's magnetic. I guess they included this because they wanted to improve the wire or the waterproofing on this watch. Over here you guys can see it simply connects, and it's USB Type-C, so you can plug it the other end into your phone or your phone charger. You don't want to use your phone's battery to charge this watch. But honestly, guys, this review is going to be a short one. I'm not going to do a detailed review. I will do a detailed review in 6 months because I want to give you guys an honest review. But I will definitely recommend this watch so far, guys. It's very good for the price range. So yeah, definitely check it out in the link in the description, as well as the silver mesh stainless steel band. It goes along really well with the silver watch right now. And also get a Samsung phone maybe if you don't have one, because it's Samsung, so it's just better to have a Samsung phone or Android in general. With Apple phones, I'm not too sure if it's gonna work that well, so you might have to get an Apple Watch for Apple, of course. I'm just not sure, but yeah, for Android I've experienced no issues at all, so definitely go check it out, guys. And also go check out this video in the right side corner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.